Okay, so now we're going to look at using GrabCAD print to apply Agilus30 White to an assembly of parts with various colors. So here we have the parts of the assembly that we're going to work on. I'm going to select them all and import them, and here we have the model that's been imported. Now the first thing we have to do is to change our tray materials, and I'm going to remove the Vero Clear and select the Agilus30 White and add that, and I'm going to select the Agilus profile. So here we have all our parts, and we can see the various elements listed in the tree here. What I'm going to do is, one of my favorite features in GrabCAD is this assemble checkbox. I can click that and all my parts can be laid out for me like so. I can carry out an arrange of the parts to change the orientation, and here I can adjust the various colors and select the finishes that I want for the parts. So let's get started. Go to our material selection. Here I want this as the base of my number keypad, and I want that to be the Shaw 30 Agilus White, and I'm going to select all these buttons here and have them being the same. This part is my frame, and I want that to be Vero black. I don't want that to be flexible at all. And here these are my play fast forward buttons that I wish to apply different colors to. I'm going to select a red for the stop. I want for these, I'm going to have them being green, and I will select a digital material for that. Let's go for a cyan and a yellow. Vero cyan and Vero yellow, and let's go for a DM of cyan and yellow being 004 to apply there. And let's select magenta here, and once more from the color picker, let's select that as my desired color. Now what I can do is I can go back to assemble, and this will automatically put all my parts back together. Let's just rotate this so that it's the right way around. We can see we've got my play, rewind, fast forward, previous track, next track, all here. Now another thing that we can do, we can duplicate this. I can go to create one copy. I wish to have a copy with the frame printed intact, and I wish to have another version where I'm going to select, going to disassemble, and I'm going to go and select my frame, and I'm going to delete that or hide that from view. Now I can go back to assemble, and this has assembled just the flexible part of the model on its own without the frame. If I wish to have that fit into the frame, I can go and select the frame and import that separately, and once again apply the Vero black to the frame surround. I can carry out an estimate and see how long this job is going to take to print and how much material it's going to use. And that's it. Fantastic. See you next time.